Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Wise County in north central Texas, western Denton County in north central Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Decatur, moving east at 30 miles per hour. The storm had history of producing large hail. That is, all-size hail and 65 miles per hour wind gusts. The source, radar indicated. In fact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near from around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Then around 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations affected by the severe thunderstorm include Ponder and Rome. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The forecast remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Love County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Carter County in southern Oklahoma until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Petersburg, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lone Grove, Hedden, Wilson, Ringling, Grady, Riverton, Oster, Cornish, Courtney, and Petersburg. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is 6.